Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Insider. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. So let's get into the review of the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro as well. So today we're going to be doing the Watch 5 Pro in the beginning. So basically for the Watch 5 Pro, we're going to know that we're having it's basically released in 10th August 2022 with its dial shape, which is round, and its strap material silicon, which is size large. Its touchscreen is 1.4 inches, and as well it is interchangeable strap. It is having an interchangeable strap, and it is also having a water resistant, which is IP68 with its water resistant depth 5 ATM for the ideable for the unisex as well. Now for the dimensions, we have the width 45.4 mm, height 45.4 mm, thickness 10.5 mm, weight 46.50 mm. Now let's into the connectivity features and many other stuff.
Connectivity features: call function yes, Bluetooth version 5.2, Wi-Fi yes, GPS yes, messaging support yes, platform and storage features, operating system Wear OS 3.5 compatible, operating system Android, number of cores dual core, RAM 15 GB, and processor Exynos W920, then processor 1.8 18GHz, and internal memory 16 GB. Now let's go to camera, display features, and fitness watch functions.
Here are the camera and display features of this watch. First of all, display resolution 396 into 396 pixels. Display type is Super AMOLED. Fitness and watch function is step count. Yes. Calorie count, yes. Heart rate monitor, yes. Altimeter, yes. Compass, yes. Date and time display, yes. Other fitness features are Samsung bioactive sensors. Other watch function is temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, light sensors. Now let's go to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 44mm. So general specification is the brand is Samsung, model is Galaxy Watch 5 44mm. There are 40mm also, but getting the 44mm. Release date is 10th August 2022. Model name is Galaxy Watch 5. Dial shape is round, strap material silicone, size is large, touchscreen 1.4 inch, interchangeable strap is yes, water resistant is IP68, water resistant depth is 5 ATM, and ideal for is unisex, and dimension is width 43.3 mm, height is 44.4 mm, thickness is 9.8 mm, weight is 33.5 grams. Let's go to the connectivity features.
Yes, now we go to the connectivity features for the Galaxy Watch 5 44mm. We get to know that this is having a core function, with the Bluetooth version 5.2 with its Wi-Fi, GPS, and messaging support as well. Now going to its platform and storage features, we get to know that it's having operating system Wear OS 3.5 with this compatible operating system Android. Its number of cores is dual core. Its RAM is 1 or 5 GB, and its processor is Exynos W920, and its processor speed is 1.18 GHz. Its internal memory is 16 GB. Now let's get into its camera and other features.
Camera and display features: display resolution 396 into 396 pixels, display size 44mm, display type Super AMOLED, and fitness and watch functions: step count yes, calorie count yes, heart rate monitor yes, altimeter yes, compass yes, date and time display yes. Other fitness features: Samsung bioactive sensors and other watch functions: temperature sensors, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensors, and light sensors. This is the end of the review. Thanks for subscribing and supporting to our channel. That's all. My name is Nathaniel.
I am Jonas.
My name is Jonas, and this is Tech Insider signing off.
Bye.